Pierce, we're in the town of Bentlerville. And we have the company store. And Mitzi's Hotel. And the freight station. Then we have the scale house in the background. And the Fibber McGee Coal Company. We have their shop. And then we have the tipple itself. And the mule stables. And the entrance to the mine. HWL Lumber Company. Now this one here is a real trick for the engineer. This HWL Lumber only gets flat cars. And the trick is they have to put gondolas or flat cars in front of the load they want to switch in there because a box car will not fit underneath the tipple. One of them things after you build it after the effect. Bob, we're coming in the town of Monessen. This is where my interchange is with your railroad. And we've got a load of coke here where you have to get switched around.
There's just some more of the buildings.
Up at Monessen, in the background is Monessen Wheeling Pittsburgh Steel. And there's pictures that I have and I've taken and cut out. I tried to make this look like it was coming down through the valley. It was called the A branch. There was an A branch and a B branch. Then we have a real small yard. And then we have the station here at Monessen. We have a loading dock here on the other side. And just some more shots of it. Try to make it look like there was a steel mill was down in the valley, like you're sitting up on top of Charleroi Hill and Spears Hill and looking down through the valley. This is our Connellsville interchange, staging yard I should put it. This is the end of the railroad. It's going to be ripped out for phase 2. This will go around, we'll have a long passing siding, 18-20 car passing siding, and then it will lead over to the new section. right now this is where our staging yard is, and we get about 6 cars per train in there, and hopefully with a new addition that we'll have a longer staging yards. A little bit about Clairton. This is our main shipping route, or point. The interchange with the Union Railroad and the Pennsylvania Railroad. This is down in Peters Creek Valley. It's supposed to be down in Peters Creek Valley. This here is our coke dump, which they have one down in the valley. I went down and took some pictures of it last time I was up there. And if you look in the background, you can see one of our Pennsylvania switch engines. And then old consolidated coal marine ways. And this is our coke destocking pile. And this is our 4-track yard down here. Just wanted to give you a little overview. In the original videotape it was done, this was only one single track going down there with a spur hitting the consolidated coal. And since we've moved it on about another 12 inches and made a yard out of it. Now behind here is our nickel plate staging track, and there's probably some cars off down there I can't see. I'm just putting a camera over there so you can see. And that's where our staging is. I've got some ideas what to do with it, and but that's on the drawing boards of Clairton. And right next door to it I got the door which goes into the house. Since there is no way with air conditioning, I have air conditioning in the garage, you can block the door because you can't have in the summertime you roast down here. So Yankee ingenuity came into it, and it's a Rube Goldberg thing, but it works. And we have 2 of these. They're portable, where it says Union Railroad. We can stage a train on there with 6 cars, and I have one for the Union Railroad and one for the addition done. Where the module was sitting, where I showed you earlier, that's where the new addition's going to sit. It's a peninsula, it comes out in the middle of the room. It's roughly about, I'd say 14 feet long, and it'll be a big loop on the end. And Connellsville will be on the back side. It will have a divider down through the center, and I'll do Connellsville Bridge, and then the town of Connellsville with the interchanges. Some way to work this in, I'm not real sure yet. Right behind me, right up in this area here, will be Rehoboth, which is up at Bell Vernon. Rehoboth Industrial Park will be right up in here. Then the backdrop will curve around, and this will come out, and this will be all, the whole end of the railroad is going to be new. So, well,